How to share someone's story on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can share someone's story on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. It depends upon where you're trying to share at the first place. If you're trying to share their Instagram story to someone in the DMs, or whether you're trying to upload it to your own story, it all has different type of scenarios. So first of all, if I just go ahead and then launch the Instagram application, let's say that there is a specific story that I want to share with my people. So I'll just tap on it over here. I'll just open the story. I'll tap on the DMs icon from the bottom. I can simply send it to one of my people. In this case, just hit the send button and I can simply send it to them in order to share with them. The other is if you want to repost the stories to your own stories, right? So in order to do that, just go to the chat icon over here. And then in this case, this person has basically mentioned me in their story. So if I want to add this story because I'm mentioned in it, you can see I'm mentioned. I can just tap on the add this to your story button. Now I can directly add someone's story to my story if they have mentioned me. So keep that in mind. Only if they've mentioned me, you can directly add it to your own story and then just tap on the your story button over here. However, if you're not actually mentioned in someone else's story, what you have to do is you have to actually go ahead and simply take a screenshot of that specific story over here. So basically what you have to do is just go ahead and take a screenshot, and then if you want to share it, all you need to do is come back and then go about creating a story and then just choose a specific post over here in this case. And then once you choose a specific post, you can simply tag or mention that person if you want, and that will be successfully added to your story. So these were the three scenarios on how you can share someone's story on Instagram. One is if you want to share them to your DMs for your friends and family. The other is if you want to repost it, if you're mentioned and if you're not mentioned. So I hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.